Windows in Tampa face more than just sunshine. They endure a tough mix of high humidity, intense heat, salty coastal air, and powerful storm systems. Proper window maintenance isn't just about keeping them clean. It's about protecting your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and safety year-round. Whether you have vinyl, aluminum, or impact-resistant windows, consistent upkeep is key to extending their lifespan and preventing costly repairs. Clean windows regularly to combat humidity and salt. The coastal air in Tampa carries salt and moisture that can corrode window frames and hardware over time. To prevent buildup, clean your windows, both glass and frames, every few weeks using a mild detergent in soft cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive sponges, as these can damage protective coatings or scratch the surface. For aluminum or metal frames, rinse thoroughly to remove salt residues that accelerate corrosion. Vinyl and fiberglass frames should be wiped with a mixture of warm water and a small amount of vinegar to prevent mildew growth. Keeping windows clean not only preserves their appearance but also allows you to spot cracks or leaks early. Inspect weather stripping and seals frequently. Heat and humidity can cause weather stripping and caulking to degrade faster in Tampa's subtropical climate. Every few months, check around your window edges for gaps, peeling sealant, or brittle rubber seals. If you notice drafts or feel moisture coming in after rain, reseal with a high-quality silicone caulk rated for exterior use. Proper seals are crucial for keeping your indoor air cool and preventing energy loss. During hurricane season, strong winds and heavy rain can exploit even the smallest cracks, so ensuring tight seals helps protect against water intrusion and potential mold problems. Protect windows from intense sunlight. Tampa's UV levels can cause fading, warping, or cracking over time, especially for older or untreated windows. To reduce sun damage, consider applying UV-blocking window film or installing solar shades. These not only protect window materials but also help maintain cooler indoor temperatures and lower your energy bills. If your windows are double-paned, ensure the seals between panes are intact. When these fail, condensation forms between the glass layers, reducing visibility and efficiency. Replacing or resealing the glass early prevents more significant damage later. Prepare for storm season with regular checks. Hurricane season in Tampa runs from June through November, and your windows are your first defense against severe weather. Before storm season, inspect for loose locks, cracked glass, or weakened frames. Impact-resistant or hurricane-rated windows should have their anchoring systems checked annually by a professional to ensure they meet current safety standards. If you rely on storm shutters, test them in advance to ensure they open and close smoothly. Clean the tracks and lubricate moving parts so they're ready when needed. Small steps like these can make all the difference when high winds and flying debris threaten your home. Maintain hardware and moving parts. Window locks, hinges, and sliders are vulnerable to corrosion and sticking due to Tampa's humidity. Every few months, clean these components with a damp cloth and apply a light silicone-based lubricant. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and worsen buildup. Smooth-moving windows not only enhance convenience but also ensure they close tightly during storms, keeping out rain and debris. Routine maintenance keeps these mechanisms functioning as designed for years. Schedule annual professional inspections. While DIY maintenance is important, it's wise to have a professional inspect your windows once a year, especially before hurricane season. Experts can identify subtle structural issues, weakened seals, or frame damage you might overlook. They can also recommend upgrades such as impact-resistant glass or energy-efficient coatings tailored to Tampa's demanding weather conditions. Keeping Tampa homes comfortable and protected. Tampa's unique blend of tropical heat, salty air, and seasonal storms demands proactive window care. By cleaning regularly, maintaining seals, protecting from UV rays, and preparing for hurricanes, homeowners can ensure their windows remain durable, efficient, and secure. A little attention throughout the year helps you enjoy the sunlight and coastal views without the worry of unexpected damage or high energy costs. Proper window maintenance isn't just upkeep, it's peace of mind in Tampa's unpredictable climate.